From mermaids frolicking in an aqua sea to a pirate captain in a weather vane, a unique exhibit in Mahone Bay, Nova Scotia, is putting the focus on the delightful imagery depicted through the art of rug hooking. A group called the Main Street Hookers have put together a pop-up gallery to show off some of the best rug hooking around. And we have just a bit of a sample here this morning, thanks to Sue Cunningham and Christine Little. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming in and bringing all your work.
Fantastic.
I feel instantly cheered up. So tell me, Christine, why you wanted to start Art Underfoot, which is the pop-up show.
We had a space available, and I had the idea, and I broached it to the group, and they were all pretty excited. Most of them have never shown their work before,
wow.
So this was a venue to, show their talent. And we fill the space. There's not room for a postage stamp, and this is just a small example of what is showing in the gallery. There's everything from the finest to the most whimsical, and everybody offered something a little different.
There's a lot to see. And when it comes to hookers, Sue, rug hookers,
yes.
I mean, who usually is doing this kind of thing? Who are some of the exhibitors?
Well, I mean, I've been doing this for about 5 years, and we meet several Wednesday evenings at the Encompassing Design Studio. In my time there, we've had everything from a 10-year-old gal to an 80-plus-year-old
wow.
woman. So, yeah, all walks of life. Some are retired, some are not. Are currently employed outside the home, and yeah, so.
And you can hook all kinds of things.
Oh yes,
like
yes,
cozies and pillows, and you can do all kinds of designs.
Yes.
Really, I mean, some people may think of more traditional designs, which is really nice, but there's some kind of really modern, whimsical, funny stuff too.
Today it's more of an art form.
Yeah.
And you're only limited by your imagination.
Right.
And people hook clothing.
Oh, really?
Footstool covers. We have a tea cozy here and a pillow. But art isn't, the art isn't for the floor anymore. It's for the entire house.
Yeah.
So.
But if you do make a rug, you can walk on it.
Oh gosh,
absolutely.
I personally wouldn't hang a rug on the wall, and some people do.
Some people do.
Yeah.
But I felt self-conscious because you both have such fabulous rugs on the floor here, and I felt like, oh, I don't want to walk on them, right? But that's kind of what they're for.
Well, they're made of 100% wool, and it's very hard wearing, so you can't wear them out. If you have a dog with a habit of pulling loops, you just put them back in.
You can put them back in.
Yep.
It's very forgiving.
Yeah,
very
wow.
forgiving.
So how did you start hooking?
I had a sickness, and I couldn't work outside the home. It was environmental sickness, and my friend introduced me to it, and it was something I could do at home. And I could dye wool, and I could create designs, and it was very, very exciting for me. So I started a business within a year.
Wow.
So I've been in business 12 years, and I've been hooking about 13.
Oh my gosh.
And it's just an artistic avenue that I never thought I'd have, because I used to work in an office.
Huh.
God, I could never go back to that.
Forget the office. Start hooking, rug hooking, rug hooking. Now, Sue, what about you? You said you only just started a few years ago.
I did. I spent most of my working life in the financial services industry, and moved back to Nova Scotia from the big city of Toronto, and rug hooking was always something I had an interest in, so it was a natural for me.
Wow.
And she is incredible. She can hook a rug in 2 weeks or less.
Really?
So she's extremely
That
prolific.
is amazing.
And
It's
she
just a
actually
love.
has almost an entire wall of her things, because she just hooks much more than the rest of us.
Keep on hooking.
Keep on hooking.
Now, how long would something like that take in the frame? How long would that take?
Well, normally that would take probably a couple of months, but I'm a very fast hooker. And I actually did it in a week.
Wow!
So I had to stay up until 2 o'clock in the morning to get it finished for the show, but it was
fast.
I wanted it there to show that I could do something like that other than just the rugs. So
That's
it was
amazing.
worth.
And we should talk about this is fantastic. Who made? Oops! Oh, I lost the rug. It's okay. It's soft. It doesn't break.
These are
Who made
different
this?
techniques. Heather Gordon hooked this, and this is called Proddy. And it's done with a different tool than regular hooking tool, but you just, cut out your little shapes and then pull them through, and then you can use all kinds of fancy yarns.
Amazing.
Any piece that's on the wall, you can put anything in it.
Yeah,
so you can really dress it up. But
That
if
is
it's on the floor, it has
fantastic.
to be flat.
Right,
and
exactly.
more
But you can do kind of 3D hooking. Now, we should remind people where the show is, how they can see it.
It's 498 Main Street in Mahone Bay. It's across from the town hall, and the gallery's open from 12 to 4 every day, and it closes on April the 5th. We've extended it. It's so popular
it's
that
so popular. So that's fantastic. So get out and see it if you're in the Mahone Bay area. That's a good reason to take a trip out to Mahone Bay for sure. So
And we'll
thank
bring
you.
your hooking with you and hook with us.
Oh, cool! You can have a hooking party. Fantastic. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank
you for having
It's
us.
great.